The Daycare Quick Check-in module changes the way you handle your daily daycare arrivals. First, you must enable this feature. If you have the proper permissions, you'll see Manage, New Feature Settings, and in here you'll see the Daycare Quick Check-in. Simply click Enable Daycare Quick Check-in. Here you can set a default room or daycare type. Click Save. Now that the module is enabled, you can access it by going to Daycare, Quick Check-in. In here, simply start searching for a client name, pet name, phone number, whatever it is, you can enter it here. Choose the pets, one or multiple. And now you can see these pets are on the Daycare Quick Check-in staging page. From here, you can modify these appointments, change the room, change the type, set the run. You can click this Edit button next to the Copy From to edit the appointment, which will open a new window. Delete this entry, or you can copy from the last appointment date. This makes it nice and easy to pull all the details from the previous appointment if this pet gets the same services each time. You'll notice the icons. You can filter for those icons by simply clicking the Filters button and choosing what you'd like to see. This will quickly sort and show you only those pets that have these icons assigned to them. You can also sort by pet, client name, breed, or sort down pet, client name, breed. You can unselect all of them or select all of them. Unselect individuals or select individuals. Once everything on this screen looks good, click the Apply action to Selected, and here you can create appointment only. What that does is it simply creates the appointment on your daycare schedule, but does not check the pets in. This second option, create the appointment and check in, that creates the appointments and checks all these pets in at the same time. That's the option we'll choose here. And that's done. So those 4 pets are now on the daycare schedule and checked in for today. The other nice feature about the quick check-in is that it can be used in conjunction with a barcode scanner. When you have a barcode scanner plugged in, all you do is select the action that you want your barcode scanner to take. So here we have Add to List. This will simply add the pet to the Daycare Quick Check-in staging page. Create Appointment. That will create the daycare appointment on the daycare schedule. And Create Appointment and Check In will create the appointment and check in the pet on the daycare schedule. Once you choose your default action for the barcode scanner, simply place your cursor in the Search Pet field. You can then walk away from this computer, and if you have a check-in station set up, your clients can scan their barcodes or key tags when they come in to check in their daycare pets, or you can use the barcode scanner to scan their key tags, or in some places they will have a barcode on the folder. You can scan that as well to complete the action.